Hi everyone, my name is Yele of Yele Stitches. Yele Stitches is a female fashion brand that makes female dresses and accessories. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a bonnet with a band. Let's do it! If you haven't seen my previous videos on how to make a bonnet, today is the time for you to watch it. It has been looking for you, it has been waiting for you, and today is the day that you have to watch it. Because now I'm just skipping the main part. But just as a summary recap, I'm using a radius of 15 inches because I'm making an extra large bonnet cap. But if you're making a medium or a small, you can use 13 inches or 11 inches respectively. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, today's the day for you to watch it to understand it more if you did not just get the summary that I just gave. Alright, so after cutting my African print fabric, I'm also going to cut my satin lining to line the cap. Like I said, if you haven't watched the previous videos on how to make a bonnet, please watch it. I cover everything and I don't just want to repeat myself so this video doesn't get too long. I know you guys don't like long videos. You can tell me the truth. You don't like long videos. Write it in the comment section if you like long or short videos. But all right, let's focus on this. The next thing that I'm going to make is the band of my bonnet. This is where it gets different from previous videos. All right, so the band width is going to be 3 inches while the length is either 56 to 60 inches. It depends on how long you want the ties to be. If you want the ties to be very long, you can go with 60 inches. If you just want it to be average, go with 56 inches. Now the next step is to measure 20 inches round about my bonnet circle. So you need between 20 to 22 inches. It depends on how wide or how short you want the elastic at the back of your bonnet to be, because there's some individuals that the bonnet might not fit just like that, so they need the elastics to stretch a little bit or to be firm at the back of their head so that the bonnet will fit very well on the head. So the elastic is only for the back. And so now I'm making the tunnel for where my elastic is going to pass through. Remember, it's just 20 to 22 inches. So my elastic is going to pass through that tunnel. And the length of the elastic that I need is just 8 inches. You can use a 1/4 inch elastic or 1/2 inch elastic, but you need 8 inches of it. Now I'm going to get my bodkin and pass my elastic through that tunnel. This my bodkin did not want to be a star. I looked for it and looked for it and looked for it before I finally saw it. I just wanted the bodkin to be on national television, or sorry, on national YouTube, and that's why I used it like that. If not, I would have used pin. So you can also use pin or you can use the bodkin. I'm going to put the link to every item that I used in the description box. The fabric, to the bodkin, to I don't know what else again. Maybe the elastic, but like if there's anything that I skip, always ask me the question in the comment section and I'll let you know what you need to know. All right, so I just passed the elastic through my elastic tunnel and then I sewed it on the 2 edges so my elastic would not disappear on me. You pass the elastic and you sew the 2 edges. You know the drill. I'm pretty sure you know the drill by now. You get what I'm saying? All right, so after doing that, you see that the way it bunches up and it stretches, that's very good, so it will have a nice fit on your head at the back. Now we are going to move on to our bands, our long bands. Now I'm going to just sew one side down and leave the other side open. You get that? Like the side that I sew down is the one that will be on your head itself, while the other side that I leave open will be the one attached to the circle. If you did not get my story that I just said, just keep watching and you're going to see what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm going to just sew all the way down on my band. So one side down, down. Oh, let me see you. Okay, all right. So before I turn to lagbaja on my music, let's just focus on what we're doing. Focus on. I'm just in a singing mood today. All right. So from the middle of your band, you're going to measure 9 inches on either side, so that you have 18 inches in the middle. You are going to pleat the circle on that 18 inches in the middle. Do you get what I'm saying? So on either side of the middle of your band, you take 9 inches on one side and 9 inches on the other side, so you have an 18 inches width in the middle of your band to pleat the circle. That is how you get your nice band bonnet. So I'm turning it out on both sides, so I'm turning out the wrong side to the right side. I'm sure you get what I'm saying, but we are actually turning on your own. Then after that, we're now going to pleat our circle on the black side first. There's a reason why I'm saying we should pleat on the black side first. So you're going to pleat your colored side, like the colored side is going to be facing you. You are pleating both the colored and black. Don't mix that up. You're going to pleat both the colored and the black on the black side of your band, or on the lining side of your band, because you might not use the black satin lining. So on the lining side of your back, you're going to pleat both sides, while the colored part is going to face you, or your right side that is outside is going to face you. All right, so you see me pleating and pleating and pleating. Now you can also use the gathers method by sewing a long straight stitch or a loose stitch and then squeeze it together, but I'm sure you know by now, if you've been watching my videos, that I just like pleating. I prefer pleating to gathers. I don't know why. It may be because I feel like I can control it so much more than gathers or something, but I like pleating, you know what I'm pleating. I wish I was this fast forward. I wish I was this fast. Oh my god, I will make so many clothes in one day, but let's not wish for what cannot happen. All right, so after pleating on my band, okay, so I pleated on my band and then I sewed that down. You can sew the two circles together first so that it will be easy for you to pleat on it. So that it's easy for you to pleat on the band. You can sew these two circles down already before you pleat on it, or you can do it the way I just did it and just form Van Damme and pleat it just like that, because you are good like that. Now this is the reason why I wanted us to sew the black side first, so that we can be careful with sewing on our right side, so that we can be careful with sewing on the side that is going to show to everybody. Okay, so I changed the foot of my machine to my zipper foot, because I want to see exactly what I am doing. You can use your normal foot, but if you have a zipper foot, it will be so much nicer to use a zipper foot, so you can see exactly how you are sewing on that band. So I'm folding the upper side. After folding the upper side like that, then I sew very, very close to the edge, so that my stitch doesn't really show and it is also very neat. So that is the reason why I said we should first of all do the black side, the other side, before we do this side. Because if we decide to stitch on the black end, when it shows on the other side, it might not be as neat as you want it to be. But this one, you can control it and look at it while you are sewing it and see how neat it is. Also, you can also blind stitch it, or you can use a glue gun to gum everything together. But like I always say, the most effective way is using a needle and thread, either using your sewing machine or using your normal needle and thread. I believe you get it. And if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. I always reply all the questions. Like, my people, they know me that I reply questions. So if you have any questions for me, please ask me in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Don't just watch my video and run away from me. Come on over to the bright side. Subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, share, like, comment. Thank you very much. Bye.